In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip tool, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't access it here, you can click on top left corner, tap on Clipboard, and use this switcher to add it to your toolbar. Either way, to add any clip from here, tap on Add a new clip, type in whatever you want to, and hit Save. If you want to paste it, click on it, and in order to get rid of it, use this bin on the right. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now you can also add clips to your clipboard by copying or cutting any text. And now to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. You can delete it the same way. To pin it or unpin it though, use this icon on the left instead. To go back to your standard keyboard, you can click on this arrow at the top left corner or this keyboard icon at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!